Dakota Gas directors approved several projects this month that will help bolster the facility's reliability. Two of the projects were in the carbon dioxide compressor area. One was a replacement of a storage building for sulfate sugar, and the fourth was presented by Sara Dow, Fertilizer Section Engineer 3, for the replacement of the methanator startup heater.
When it comes to reliability, we look at different things, whether it be incidences that happen at other facilities throughout the United States or just observations that we make on our own through our own process to hazard analysis and our damage mechanism reviews, and based on inspections that we do as well. So increasing our reliability also means improving some of our inspection techniques and things like that to identify those pieces of equipment that would need to be replaced earlier rather than later when it becomes a problem.
Investments into equipment are proving valuable today in the ammonia plant. In April, the ammonia plant had the highest monthly capacity factor in the plant's history, surpassing the last record set in May 2023. The plant also had record daily ammonia production. On April 20th, the plant produced 1,226.6 tons of ammonia. That beats a record last set in February 2001.
This month was a fantastic example in the ammonia plant. We actually had production records, a monthly production record, and a daily production record in that unit. So, and we couldn't have gotten there without some of the investments we've made over the last few years. We've invested in compression, and just a number of different things in the ammonia plant, fertilizer areas. And again, fertilizer is one of those things. Ammonia, urea, they're where the revenue streams are, and so those investments are paying off in terms of revenue.
The daily production record for ammonia is interesting in another way. Not only was a 23-year record beaten in April, but there were 7 days in April that beat that last high mark.